So, dear readers of Brussels Diplomatic, we're here in Brussels in the White Atrium with the President of SEMI Europe, Heinz Kundert, and we are going to make a little interview of 1 or 2 minutes to explain the aim of the meeting of today. But the first question I would like to ask you, Mr. President, is to explain us what's the importance of the semiconductors in everyone's everyday life.
Semiconductors are everywhere. Whatever product you use today, a car, it's the smartphone, the radio, the TV, even the refrigerator, even your furnace in the kitchen, they need semiconductors more and more. Or products which may not have semiconductors, but they were manufactured by the support of semiconductors. Healthcare, when you go to the doctor, you're going to be exposed to semiconductors. When you go to the dentist, you can go wherever you want. You're going to have semiconductors around you. That means without semiconductors, you cannot be competitive. A car that does not have the latest semiconductor technology is not competitive. So semiconductor is like the rise of the people, the basic food to be competitive everywhere.
Can you explain us the meaning of the meeting today?
Because semiconductors are so strategic important for an economy, be that in the US, be that in China, be that in Southeast Asia, Japan, or in Europe, we have to make sure that we keep the competitiveness in semiconductors, the core competences, in order to compete also with the rest of the industry. So it's kind of a product that is simply needed to make sure that the products we are manufacturing and using are on a world level.
And today we have a meeting of all the industry, European Commission, people involved into the industry. Can you explain us who is coming today and what were the main topics of discussion this morning?
Yeah, today we had the big semiconductor manufacturers here, like Intel, we had Infineon, ST Microelectronics, many more. We had the Commission, as you said, we had regional representatives from governments, from associations, from agencies, and they discussed actually what needs to be done to remain competitive in semiconductors. And because semiconductor is a very expensive technology, let's say a state-of-the-art fab today.
And it's also a sector where research and development play an important role.
Sure. I mean, companies spend between 15 and 20% of their revenue for R&D. But R&D alone is not enough. You have to manufacture, and the fab today costs you up to $10 billion. So a single company or a single country cannot afford anymore to build such a big fab. So they need to ally. They need we need a coalition of countries, of companies to finally spend the money for this technology in order to be competitive.
Thank you very much for this interview, Mr. President.
Thank you.